Good morning. And I'm off to somewhere again. So I'll tell you that, but फिलहाल मैं भूख लगी है. अगले 2 घंटे तक कुछ खाने नहीं मिलने वाला है. I'm trying to have my bite. That's useful. Narayan Tea House. So basically I came to Dadar for my train to somewhere from here. The thing is, I was hunting for tea. I came across this stall where it did not look like a tea stall, because normally tea stall पे क्या होता है, बंदा रहता वाकड़ा लेके चाय बना रहा है, सब खड़े पी रहे हैं. But over here, it has a proper seating place, you know, and it was a different experience. I felt like parity. People are getting their own breakfast and having at the same time they're having tea. So yeah, an unusual experience. मैंने तो आज तक ऐसा कोई specified place देखा नहीं, so I thought I'll share it with you. Now finally got here. Finally touchdown Kasara. So let me break it down for you, okay? I'm on my way to Nashik right now, and the reason I'm on my way to Nashik is to tick mark a destination goal. So this place which I had in mind was there in my mind for the last 2 years, and बहुत stretch हो गया था यार work life. I said like I'll take a break, a small break. So for the day I am here, but before that I need to actually chill out a little. Luckily I have a family around here who can I'm going and dropping into and like getting fresh, and then I'll be heading in. So finally we are halfway to where we are going to, and keeping myself hydrated. So I'll not tell you where I'm going, I'll show you where I'm going. Of the cab भाई पहली बार मैं ड्राइवर की, और ideally 2 people sit in the front of the cab, right? I sat in the center. It only happens in India again. So the way I was sitting like my legs are stretched and the gear is in between my legs. Hey! I'm worrying like ये बंदे का हाथ थोड़ा घूम गया तो कांड हो जाएगा. Anyways, it was a good ride. 1 hour it took me at least to reach from Karwar to Nashik, and now I'm gonna chill a bit, and then we're gonna go where we're gonna go. Ouch! गरम हवा बाहर निकल मुझे कैसे निकलेगा रे? So all set and fresh. Kyle, say hi.
Yo, what's up?
we're almost there. Are we? Hey, looks good, man.
जम मारने के लिए भाई दिख रहा है.
उड़ी मार रही
पब्लिक जम भी मार रही है.
Right.
But private property रहेगा.
Right. So right now we are on the way to where we are going, and we are kind of, I think कितना 15-20 मिनट skip कर दिया जाएगा ना पुनः? Because of
No. 5 minutes off road. We do.
5 minutes off road, yeah. Staying in Nashik for the last 12 years and 5 minutes off road still. Nice. So, if you guys have been to Nashik, you might have already got a hint. If you're following me on Instagram, you might have already got a hint where we're going to. We're going to Sula Vineyards. Or Vineyards, is it? Vineyards, yeah. Wine पीते wine ठीक है. So let's see how it goes.
English is a funny language.
Mine especially is a very funny language.
हाँ तभी जम मारेगा.
So finally we reach Sula.
Yup.
Let's go, let's see. Now it's my first time, I don't know what to expect. How many times have you been here?
At least 4-5 times a year.
4-5 times. So you must have been pretty used to it.
Yeah.
So is it worth it to just, like before going in, I'm asking you?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
You learn quite a lot.
Let's see. I'm excited. Chalo, let's go. Time आएगा तो नंगा ही तो आया है क्या घंटा लेकर जाएगा. Just got done with Sula and what an experience. Though this vlog is not, I did not mention much in this vlog about it because, or didn't show much about the Sula in this vlog because I have another vlog planned for that separately. So don't miss, next week it will be out. But today, what are we doing now?
I have no idea.
We have no idea what we're doing, but dekhte hain.
We're going with the flow.
With the flow, yes. We'll let you know if something interesting happens. Otherwise, in the evening, I'll come to close the vlog. So I and Kyle were talking, we were like, what can we do the max in Nashik? And he's like, there's nothing much, but there's one place where we can come to. Someshwar, right? Okay, so this is kind of a boating spot. अभी पता नहीं boating मिलेगी क्या नहीं, but अगर मिली तो सही है. देखते हैं. Anyways, I haven't tested my GoPro in water till now. We'll try that.
The water is too deep for that, bro.
No, I'll not leave my GoPro in the water. It will be like with the stand. Chalo, let's see. I'm disappointed because of these boats now. I thought we could row the boat. Anyways, I think this is enough for the day. So right now we're gonna chill, have some chill time because we've been meeting after a long time. If you like this video, don't forget to
Subscribe and share and like.
और
Like and subscribe and then share.
करो मगर दबाओ रेड बटन नीचे. God bless, take care. Wolves stay. GoPro, I'm claiming a warranty if this doesn't go right. Okay? Let me put it on recording at least. I'll get to see what is underwater.
Yeah, obviously. I'm recording.